guys, good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. I know, just bear with me. We're going to get over there really soon to do the whole what's on my Xbox. I just can't wait. It's been a while since I've done one of those. But first, this video is sponsored by LastPass. LastPass, thank you for sponsoring this video. Now, LastPass relieves the trouble of looking for passwords and all that anxiety you get of getting locked out of your accounts. Believe me, it's happened to me. You know how some of y'all got that same password for everything? Stop it. With LastPass, you don't have to remember or reset your password. So use a Chrome browser at work, you use Safari at home, use the Android or iOS on your phone. It don't matter. One place rules them all. And hey, you can even generate a strong password anytime you need one for easy use. See? That was easy. LastPass autofills your credentials on mobile sites and apps for iOS and Android. When you open an app or site, LastPass will fill in your username and password, making it fast and easy for you to log in. You can also use multiple factor authentication on your LastPass account. And you can use one of these cool YubiKey devices with your LastPass account. Remember, no key, no hacky. Get it? Key and hacky run. So to find out more information about LastPass and to help support the channel, click the link below, sign up, join. I use it, you should use it too. And now, let's get started. All right, guys, and we're back. And my back hurts from, I had to even change. Anyway, so yeah, welcome to my Xbox here. We're gonna actually go through all my games. And when I say go through them, I mean pretty quickly because I have a lot of games. So, yes, soak that in. I have 254 games. Now, to be fair, some of them are those games for gold. And for some reason, it's not, the Xbox services are down right now, for like the store. So I can't show you which ones are like the membership ones. So I think about 40 of them are the Xbox Live Gold games. About 7, 8 of them, maybe more, let's just say 10, are probably Gamepass. So after that, it's been a mix of things I've bought and things that Xbox has provided to me as far as press units that they would give out to anyone else who does press stuff for them. So yeah, let's just get into it. There's a lot. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with my installed games now. Some of these need to be uninstalled, excuse me. And then we'll look at the ready install. They kind of changed it at the top. First of all, we're gonna skip quite a few. I didn't play this game. I mean, I played it once. I was like, eh. Assassin's Creed Odyssey I have definitely put over 150 hours in that game. That is probably my game of the year. This is one of my favorite games from some years ago. I actually demoed this with the developer, Assault Android Cactus, and now it's everywhere. Battlefield 5. Okay, Burnout Paradise is one of my favorite racers, like those simulation type racers. Not simulation, like arcade type racers, excuse me. World War II, Black Ops 4. I haven't really played either of them, I know, the last couple years. Only when a friend comes over. It's really weird. I need to get back into chess. Like, I mean, and I don't mean like the game. The game is good, but like I want to get back analog. Like, I just need something off of digital to have as a hobby again. So I'm gonna get back into that. Thank you for reminding me. Crash Bandicoot, great nostalgia. It's a hard game. All three of them are just, they're frustrating. And so, speaking of frustrating, Cuphead. Oh my God. Say no more. I have a gameplay of that up with Dashy on his channel. So just type in Cuphead, Lamarr, Dashy. That'll pop up, and you can have fun watching me be horrible in that game. Oh my God. I thought it was gonna be good. I played Destiny 2. I have not played the expansion pack yet, but I actually finished the campaign. I really enjoyed it. I did enjoy Dragon Ball Fighters, Fortnite, of course. I mean, I actually, when I play it, I know when I did what's on my Switch, I showed it there. I actually preferred playing it on my Xbox One X because it's like full resolution. You get the 4K experience. Forza Horizon 4, oh yeah. I mean, that game is beautiful. Friday 13th, never got a chance to play. If I don't have friends, Grand Theft Auto 5 is fun. Halo 5 was my first Halo, and I really enjoyed it, but I was missing the experience of the other one. So, you know, one day when I just have nothing to do and I've caught up on all my other games, I'm gonna sit down and do the Master Chief Collection. So Yeah, one of my favorite. Okay, I kind of have to jump in this, I think. All right, so as you see, I have everybody. I love this game so much. Okay, so I know I don't play it that much, but she's still my more powerful person. So I feel like I did when I did my last What's on My Xbox. I feel like I did this match already, but we're gonna do it again. Real quick, this has nothing to do with the game. I've been I have DC Universe Online. Ooh, I've been binge watching Justice League Unlimited.
And your heat vision and freeze breath?
It's my favorite voice actor too. Sorry, you might have to hear double because I gotta hear this on TV. Oh, wait! I forgot the buttons. Okay, hold on. I remember this. Hold on. Yeah, okay, I remember that. Okay, Superman, do not hit a woman. Punk. Here we go. I remember. Wait. What's the button? Ooh, yes. Okay. Did you just... Okay, you know what? Stab!
Your technique is flawed.
Oh, you whooped it. Oh, boy. Ooh, okay. Don't make me... Superman, don't make me use it. Superman. No! Yes! Yeah! Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Soups.
Wonder Woman wins.
Yes, she does. Huh? Okay, we're back. Oh, look, I'm on the left side. Okay, cool. It shows, so I was right. Gold games, I have 43, and I have 2 memberships. I know one is Xbox. We'll get into those in a minute, but the service has finally come up. Xbox, I think it was just my router or something was down for a little bit, but yeah, it's back up. That's cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. So this is new. DC Supervillains. I have not even played it yet. This is a Lego version. I'm really excited. I've played all the other Lego games, but this one, I can't wait because it's just from a different point of view. It's a point of view of the villains. I'm actually really excited about that. I'm pausing because I didn't know. I bought this. It was a sale, and I haven't played it yet. You know, the Telltale. Oh, they're gone. I'm kind of sad. Mass Effect. I know, but I love space games. But I know. Little story about Monster Hunter real quick. All my friends abandoned me. They all told me to get it, and then they jumped on PS4 and leveled up while I was leveling up over here. So now my friends are around. NBA Playgrounds 2 is new. Why do I still have 2K18 here? You got to go. You got to go. I don't know why. And I still got the old playgrounds. Okay, I'll delete more of that later. But yeah, NBA 2K19, I play occasionally. I am trash, but I did make my own team. I think I'm on the Heat. I keep Plants vs. Zombies around because I really enjoy Garden Warfare 2. I know no one plays it anymore, but I just like, I sometimes I jump on. I gotta wait a few minutes, but then the servers open and then people are there. It's just exciting to play. I don't know. I really like the game. This game is trash. Prison Architect is trash. I like it. It's good for people who like those kind of games. I thought it was gonna be amazing. If you saw my What's on My Nintendo Switch video, I did the same thing like an idiot. I bought it there, and then I think here it was available as gold free. So I downloaded. So I didn't actually pay for it here, but I was all excited that night, and then found out how bad it was. Rare Replay, one of my best videos on YouTube is a Rare Replay unboxing, which is crazy. When friends come over, we still play Rock Band 4. I got dozens of songs that I just keep buying because I love playing. I tend to either sing or do the guitar. You'll never see that. Shadow of Tomb Raider was really good. I didn't get a chance to finish it yet. Spyro, of course, that's that nostalgia. I feel y'all. State of Decay is one of my favorite series, of course. Super Lucky's Tale, I love that. I'm just, wow, there's a lot here. Jackbox Party Packs, I think I have all of them, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah. Where's 4? Titanfall is gonna be I was into it before everybody else was into it for 10 minutes and then stopped playing it. But I really enjoyed it. And then we're at the end of just the ones I have downloaded. As you can see there, Watch Dogs 2 is one of my favorite games. I really love that. Ubisoft did a good job on that one. Much better than 1, I have to say. So, Wheel of Fortune. I played that once. There's some games that I've downloaded either free or I've played them. I went through the Batman Telltale series. That was really good. Arkham Knight, of course. Battlefield 1. I played Hardline. Let's see. Brothers was really good. That was such a good game. I played that free gold, and I was actually surprised how good that was. Obviously, Burnout Paradise, we talked about that, but I have to remaster it now. Yeah, these Call of Duties, obviously, I've played. I can't play Dark Souls. I'm trash. The first boss, I can't get past it. Oh, the Xenoverse. Yeah, I definitely played that. Final Fantasy 15 was amazing. I think I've talked about that before. That just top of line game. Scrolling. Body scroll. Ooh, Inside and Limbo, 2 of great indie games. Buy those. Like, if you just need something to play over the Christmas holiday, Inside and Limbo. Play Limbo first, then Inside. Wait, why is this here? I haven't played it yet. Okay, you go into install. Why is I bought it, downloaded it, and it didn't go to download? I'm glad I'm doing this video. I'm just realizing that. Why didn't you do that? All the Lego games here I've played for sure. I did play Max Curse of the Brotherhood. That was actually really good. Shadow of Mordor. Okay, let me just tell you my issue with this one. Once you pissed off a few orcs, it gets almost unplayable because no matter where you go and you try to start a fight, everybody and their grandma come over and try to fight you at the same time, and you can't get anything done. So I pissed off enough that it's unplayable. Ori the Blind Forest is a great game. I can't wait till the new one comes out. That's gonna be great. Oh, Rise and Shine was great. That's a great indie game right there. Like, it should still be free. I'm not sure, even though it's not. I recommend that game. It's not a long indie game, but it's really hard and it's fun. Screen Riot was the first game I received from Xbox. Like, they were like, "Hi, we see who you are. We would like to send you this game." You know, and I was like, that was the first game. And that changed everything. I did finish Captain Spirit. That was fun. So I got to get into Life is Strange 2. Technomancer, I tried to get into it. I'm just like, okay, that's not the game for me. Wow, we're at the end. Cool. If you want to see the apps, yeah, these are the apps that, again, I just don't use apps on here except for Twitch. And sometimes Netflix, and definitely YouTube. Oh, I should tell you that. Yeah. I watch most of YouTube videos on my TV because I just think it's a great experience. That's what's on my Xbox. A bunch of games, a bunch of apps, and a bunch of fun. So remember, if you want to try out the Xbox Game Pass, links below. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.